Hi there, this is Ching Tan, also known as Mr. Ching Positive. Welcome to another 5-minute video. But before we start, I just like you to subscribe, click the bell button, Please click subscribe sa ating YouTube. At the same time, click the bell button para pag may bago tayong video, manonotify po kayo. Pag kayo naman po ay nasa Facebook, please follow me, and then pagka-follow, click see first para manotify din po kayo. Ang topic na pag-uusapan po natin right now are the 3 practical ways on how to overcome defeat in your life. Oo. Kayo ba ay natalo na, 'di ba? Kayo ba ay nabigo na sa buhay? Hindi porket ikaw ay natalo ka na agad. Hindi pwedeng ikaw ay nabigo ka na agad. Ay, nako, wag mo sabihin na, ay, hindi naman ako magaling. Ay, wala na akong pag-asa. Wala na akong silbi. Hindi kami magtatagumpay. Nabuhay kaming ganito. Mamamatay kaming ganito. Never ever say that. Always remember, ang pagkatalo sa buhay ay hindi po permanente. Ito ay pansamantala lang. Hindi po ito katapusan ng buhay. It doesn't really matter how many times you lost. What really matters is how you handle your defeat in life. Yung ibang natatalo, ano mo nangyayari? Sumusuko sila, nawawalan sila ng gana, nawawalan sila ng pag-asa, ayaw na talagang lumaban, at feeling nga ng mga iba talaga, wala na talaga silang extension sa life. Kaya may mga iba, anong ginagawa? Pinuputol ang buhay. Samantala, ang iba naman, pag natatalo, lalong ginagalingan, lalong nagpupursige, lalong ginaganahan, at lalong tumitibay ang loob. Alam mo, ito isang perfect example niyan. Ako talagang masyado kong inspired sa taong na ito. I don't know if you're also inspired with this life. Alam mo, si Manny Pacquiao as the 8 times world champion in 8 different divisions, a lot of people always look at the winning streak, but they don't look at the defeat. How many times also Manny Pacquiao was defeated? And one of the worst defeat during the time when he fought Emmanuel Marquez, diba? Si Juan Manuel Marquez. No, grabe, natsambahan siya talaga. Natulog talaga siya ng talagang ilang minuto. Diba? Grabe talaga, no? Parang ang point ko lang during the time na napanood ko yan talaga, sabi ko, paano kaya makakabawi itong mama na ito? Kasi imagine mo, he's called the people champs, pero right now, diba? Talagang tulog na tulog siya. How can he overcome? Pero, anong ginawa niya? Naging biktima ba siya? Natakot ba siya? Hindi. Nakabalik at lumaban muli. Diba? As a matter of fact, ang dami pang ang kinita after that. Ikaw, my friend, kamusta ka na? Have you also been ever defeated in your life? No. If you want to learn how to overcome defeat, please, continue to watch this video. Ito po yung 3 tip ko po sa inyo. Number one, ano gagawin po natin pag tayo po ay natalo sa buhay? Number 1 tip, learn from your defeats. Kapag natalo ka, matuto ka. Para sa susunod na laban, di ba? You become what? Wiser, you become better, you become what? Stronger. I will repeat, you become wiser, better, and stronger. Alam mo, parang ang importante talaga pag tayo po ay nagkamali, magtanda tayo sa ating pagkakamali. Huwag natin ulitin ang pagkakamali. A person who keeps on doing the same mistake over and over again and expect a different result, you are called an insane person. Ay, in Filipino, buang ka, buang. Dapat pagaling tayo ng pagaling, because ngayon nga natututo nga tayo sa ating pagkakamali, di ba? And then use the defeat as your stepping stone towards success, not as a stumbling block in your life. Okay, that's number 1. Learn from your mistakes. Huwag nang ulitin, ha, bes. Huwag nang umibig sa parehong lalaki na niloko ka at sinabi sa'yo talaga magbabago na siya ng pang 5 times na, ha. Okay, huwag na magtiwala sa mga taong hindi marunong magbayad ng utang, na nangako na magbabayad ng utang 3 taon na nakakaraan hanggang ngayon di pa rin nagbabayad. Huwag ka nang magpauto. Okay, learn from your mistakes. Number 2, learn how to fight back. Kailangan, nga marunong tayo talagang lumaban. Kapag natalo, dapat tayo tumatapang. May kasabihan nga, di ba? May kasabihan, what doesn't kill you makes you what? Stronger. Yes. Patunayan mo na may ibubuga ka pa at gagaling ka pa. Huwag ka niyo talagang defeated ang feeling na tao. Huwag ka magpatalo sa mga tinatawag na discouragement, panlalait, panunumbat, at kung ano-ano pang negative comment ang nababasa mo sa Facebook at naririnig mo sa iyong mga kamag-anak at mga friend mo. Kapag natalo ka sa round 1, pumunta ka sa round 2. Kapag natalo ka sa round 2, bumangon ka sa round 3. Hanggat humihinga, hanggat hindi ka nakaka-count out ng 10, di ba? Pwede pa tayong bumawi at pwede pa tayong lumaban. That's number 2. Learn how to fight back. And number 3, cling on. Cling on. When I say cling on, cling means to hold on what? Tightly. When I talk about hanging on or clinging on, kanino pa talaga tayo kakapit? Eh, di kay Lord. Bakit? Kasi siya na lang po ang tanging pag-asa po talaga natin. As a matter of fact, He is the beginning and the end. He is the Alpha and the Omega. He is the person who started everything. He is the one who is going to complete it. Sa totoo lang, siya ang source ng ating everything. Lahat ng kailangan po natin, like for example, we need comfort, we need peace, we need joy, we need strength, we need patience, we need love, we need wisdom, endurance, persistence. It all comes from Him. You name it, He has it. That's the reason why, alam mo, suggestion ko sa inyo, dapat huwag tayong matakot, matuto tayo ulit sa ating pagkakamali. Number 2, matuto tayong lumaban muli. At number 3 po, tayo po ay manalig at hang on talaga kay Lord. Yun pong pinaka-importante para tayo, huwag po tayo mawalan ng pag-asa. These are the 3 things that we need to learn how to overcome what? Defeat. My question to you right now, my friend, is this. Ikaw ba ay may pinagdadaanan ngayon? May matindi ka bang problema na or let's say challenges na pagkabigo na nangyari sa buhay mo? How did you respond to your defeat? Did you succumb to it? Tapos ikaw po ay nalungkot? O ikaw ba ay nag-iiyak? Ikaw ba ay nagsa-self-pity ngayon? Or if not, you are in the process of depression. If you are in the process of depression, let me again encourage you to reflect. What did you learn from this situation? Number 2, are you willing to fight back and bounce back? And number 3, are you willing to trust in the Lord? This is not an accident. You're watching this video. So if you find this video very fruitful and really, it ministered to you, I want you to share this video to other people. And please don't forget again to subscribe and click the bell button. I-share nyo rin po itong video sa ibang tao para sila po ay makinabang. This is Chinkitan saying, to every problem, there's always a solution. If you're not part of the solution, you're part of the problem. Always think positive. Bye!